Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Staten Island, where we talk all things outdoor living. In today's episode, we are going to cover a topic that makes a lot of homeowners a little unsure: permits for deck work. If you are thinking about building a new deck, replacing an old one, or making big changes to your outdoor space, you might be wondering, do I really need a permit for this? The short answer is that in many cases, yes, you do. Let's walk through why and when. First, think about what you are planning. If you are building a brand new deck, changing the size of your existing deck, or raising the height, permits are usually required. When a deck is elevated, attached to the house, or large enough to support groups of people, building departments want to make sure it is designed and built safely. That includes the footings in the ground, the beams and joists, and the railings and stairs. If you are adding more structure to your deck, like a roof, a pergola, or a fully or partially enclosed area, permits become even more important. Anytime you connect something structural to your home or significantly increase the load on the deck, codes and inspections help ensure everything works together safely. This is about protecting both your family and your home. Now let's talk about why permits matter beyond just following the rules. When a project is permitted, there is a clear plan, and inspections happen at key stages. Inspectors check things like footing depth, beam size, hardware, and railings. At Tuff Deck Builders Staten Island, we welcome this process because it lines up with how we already build, focused on structure, safety, and long-term strength. On the other hand, skipping permits can cause real problems later. If you go to sell your home, buyers or their inspectors may question unpermitted decks or additions. Insurance issues can also come up if something fails and there is no record that the structure was built to code. In some cases, homeowners are told to remove or rebuild unpermitted work, which can cost more than doing it right the first time. This does not mean every small repair needs a permit. Replacing a few deck boards, tightening a railing, or doing routine maintenance is usually different from building or rebuilding the structure. But when you are changing the size, height, or main framing, that is when permits are usually part of the picture. At Tuff Deck Builders Staten Island, we help homeowners understand what is needed for their specific project and location. We design decks, stairs, and railings with local codes in mind, so the permit and inspection process goes as smoothly as possible. Our goal is a deck that not only looks good, but is also documented, approved, and ready to serve your home for years. If you are planning a deck or outdoor project and want help sorting out permits and design, you can reach Tuff Deck Builders Staten Island at 929-323-2422 or visit tuffdeckbuildersstatenisland.com. We are here to walk you through each step in clear, simple terms. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Staten Island. When you build by the rules and focus on structure, your deck becomes a safer, stronger part of your home.